Have you ever wondered how computers transformed from room-sized machines to the slim, powerful laptops and smartphones we use today? The turning point came with the fourth generation of computers, a revolution driven by one tiny but powerful invention: the microprocessor. The fourth generation of computers began in 1971, and what sets it apart is the use of microprocessors, single chips that contain all the functions of a central processing unit. Before this, computers relied on bulky components like vacuum tubes and transistors. But with the arrival of the microprocessor, computers became faster, smaller, and more efficient than ever before. The first commercial microprocessor was Intel's 4004, introduced in 1971. Though limited in power by today's standards, it marked the beginning of a new era. Soon after, processors like the Intel 8080 and Motorola 6800 pushed the boundaries of what personal computers could do. These chips contained thousands, and later millions of transistors, all packed into a piece of silicon no bigger than a thumbnail. Thanks to large-scale integration, LSI, and very large-scale integration, VLSI, computer manufacturers were able to squeeze more power into smaller and more affordable devices. This made computers accessible not just to businesses and institutions, but also to individuals and families. With hardware advancing rapidly, software had to catch up. This period saw the rise of graphical user interfaces, making computers easier to use than ever before. Operating systems like Microsoft Windows, Apple's Mac OS, and various versions of Linux became common across desktops and laptops. These platforms introduced features like multitasking, user accounts, and networking, helping both professionals and casual users get more done. And let's not forget the birth of the internet during this generation. What started as a military research project soon grew into the World Wide Web, connecting millions and eventually billions of computers globally. From email and web browsing to online shopping and social media, the internet reshaped how we interact with technology, all thanks to the computing power made possible by microprocessors. Some famous examples of fourth-generation computers include the IBM Personal Computer, 1981, which helped standardize PC architecture, and the Apple Macintosh, which introduced the mouse and a fully graphical interface to a wider audience. Over time, laptops, tablets, and smartphones, all powered by advanced microprocessors, became common tools in education, business, and entertainment. The legacy of the fourth generation is all around us. We still live in it today, although we're constantly pushing the boundaries with newer, faster chips and smarter devices. Technologies like cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and mobile apps are all built on the foundations laid during this period. In short, the fourth generation marked the moment when computing truly became personal, portable, and practical for everyday life. It's the era that gave rise to the digital age we now live in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We're building a library of tech content made for beginners, simple, visual, and easy to understand. And don't forget to visit our blog for more educational content just like this one. htpeeps-exploretoday.blog, Fourth Generation Computers, 1971 present. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next